Yo, what is going on, guys? Gavin or Born Hope here, coming at you guys with another unboxing. Gotta get the butterfly knife open, and we'll get right into it. This, you guys do not know I copped, but it was kind of a surprise the other day. From Kith. So that was an awful noise. You guys didn't see the first unboxing. Well, now we got these waffles again, and these ones are they wrap these so weird, I don't like it. They like full on wrap them. They smell like cancer. These are the blue and red and yellow waffles. So yeah, it's pretty sick. Basically the same thing as the other shoe, but with a lot better colors. And this was from Kith, so if you guys don't know, they did a little like surprise, huge restock drop, and the product names were 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I hit this manually on my phone at my girl's house with Apple Pay. So that was just straight up luck. But we got the green ones are back there on the floor. It's the bottom box. The green ones, and now the blue ones. So yeah, we're lit. These are definitely better, and they might touch the toe. I don't know. Well, we got to see how the Blazers look though when they come in. When those come in, of course, got another unboxing, and then hopefully a drum set, live cop, and some black Yeezys. So yeah. We'll catch you guys in the next video. It's been Gavin or Born Hype, and I'm out. Peace.